You can now manage your payments for Dreamworld online. Log on to www.dreamworld.pk. Navigate to the Members Login section from the top right corner of the home page. Enter your membership ID and your password to log into the Members portal. Click on the Online Payments option given in the Members section menu. Mark on the checkbox and click on Continue to proceed to payment. You will see your current outstanding bill amount along with your membership details. You will have the option to pay the full amount by clicking on the Pay Current Bill Amount checkbox, or enter the amount you would like to pay out of the total current outstanding bill. Confirm the amount along with your details and click on Submit to generate your bill with a unique PayPro ID. Click on Pay Bill to make your payment online. Dreamworld also offers bill generation and online payments for special events and activities. Navigate to the Online Payments section from the top right corner of the home page. Here you will have to provide a few mandatory as well as optional details. Enter your membership number in case you are also a member of Dreamworld. Enter your full name. Click on Transaction Type and select the activity or event from the drop-down menu. Enter the total amount you need to pay. Enter your contact number and your email address. Confirm the amount with your details and click on Submit Now to generate your online bill with a unique PayPro ID. Once you are redirected to PayPro's payment platform, you will see your bill details with a unique PayPro ID. You have the option to pay your bills through debit or credit cards, bank transfers through your respective bank's internet banking portal or mobile banking app, and with cash over the counter at our OTC collection points throughout Pakistan. To make your payments through your MasterCard and Visa debit and credit cards, click on Debit/Credit Card. Enter your card details and click on Pay Now. Enter the OTP received from your bank and click on Submit to complete your payment successfully. You can make your payment to Dreamworld directly from your bank's internet banking portal or mobile banking application. You can choose your bank from the list to redirect to your bank's internet banking portal. Log in and locate PayPro in the Services or Other Payments section. Enter the PayPro ID from your invoice in the Consumer ID field and click on Fetch Details. Review your payment details and click on Pay Now to complete your payment successfully. You can also make your payments with cash over the counter at our OTC collection points throughout Pakistan. Visit your nearest over-the-counter cash payment collection point. Show your invoice with the unique PayPro ID at the cash counter. Confirm the amount of your payment, hand over the cash to the cashier and collect your payment receipt. You will also receive an instant payment notification via SMS and email using any payment channel with PayPro. PayPro, digitizing Pakistan.